Hello, back to Creative Design and Supply. Today I have a new product to show you. I actually cut some of these because I'm going to show you a demonstration. This is the color changing Color Splash adhesive vinyl, and we have them in several colors. We have cold pink, okay, and that will be it'll go pink to purple. This one is the cold pink to purple. Alright, and then this one is the cold purple. And this one is the cold blue. And I wanted to show you that we have a hot red. This is red that turns to yellow whenever it's hot. Alright, let me go ahead and on a 12 by 12 of these sheets are $2.75. Alright, if you have followed us on TikTok, I have already shown this glass, but I wanted to show you, and I have all the cold colors on here. Okay, this one is the clear to blue that I had. Okay, this is the hot. If I was to put it up there, it would be yellow right there. All right, I'm gonna give it a minute to get cold. Okay, and then you can see if I put my hand over it, it turns back, or my thumb over it rather. I have the other colors on here. Let's see, try not to make a mess. All right. Okay, and you can see I have a pink one, then I have the blue on there. Alright, and I also have the purple. Okay, that's the white to purple. And then look at this one. This is the pink to purple. How neat is that? Alright guys, these are 12 by 12 for $2.75.